welcome to another number talk. Shake out your monos. We're going to start with our song like we always do, so get ready to count with me. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let him go again. Why did you let him go? Because he bit my finger so. Which finger did he bite? This little finger on the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we have talked about two numbers this week. We talked about the number 1 and the number 2. We're going to be reviewing both of those numbers today just so we can really get them to stick in our brain. So the very first number we talked about was the number 1, and we said the number 1 is a lonely number. He doesn't have any friends. He's all by himself. So to write the number 1, we learned a special poem. Number 1 is like a stick, a straight line that's real quick. So let's write the number 1. Number 1 is like a stick, a straight line that's real quick. It's just a line down. Let's do another one. Line down, line down, line down. We said there's lots of ways that you can show the number 1, and one of those ways is in what's called a 10 frame. And a 10 frame is a box that has 10 spaces. So let's check this one and make sure it's got 10 spaces. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if I wanted to show 1 in a 10 frame, I would just put 1 circle in it. Let's do it. Here we go. 1. And I'm going to color it in. I have 1 circle in my 10 frame. I don't fill in any of the other spaces because I'm just showing the number 1. We said we could draw a picture of one thing. I'm going to draw a picture of 1 heart. That's how I show the number 1, with 1 heart. The other number we talked about this week was the number 2. 2, let's count. 1, 2. The poem we learned for the number 2 is around and back the railroad track. 2, 2, 2. So, to write a number 2, we curve around and back. Curve around and back. Around and back. Around and back. That's how we write our number 2. We said we could show 2 in a 10 frame, just like we show 1 in a 10 frame. And once again, a 10 frame is just a box that's got 10 spots. So if I wanted to show the number 2 in a 10 frame, I would count. 1, 2. 2 spots are filled in my 10 frame. I don't fill any more in because I'm showing the number 2. If I wanted to draw a picture of 2 things, I would just count. And I'd make 2 stars. Here we go. 1. Is that enough? Nope, it needs a friend. 2. 1, 2. That's how I can show the number 2 in a picture. All right, guys, I want you to go. You're going to trace your number 1 and your number 2. You can take these out of the page protectors today And you can use a crayon. Pick your favorite color and you can practice writing your number 1 and 2 in crayon today. All right, guys, that's all I've got for you. I hope you have a wonderful afternoon. Practice counting. Go find 2 things, then go find 1 thing and have a party. It'll be great. Bye.